In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add drop shadows to text here in Canva. So I have this text just here, and let's go ahead and add a drop shadow. What we want to do is simply click onto our text, come up to Effects just here in this little toolbar, and then we want to choose Shadow just here. Now, one thing to note about these effects is that you can't have more than one at the same time. So if we go back to here, I actually have this outline effect on here, which is this one just there. But if we try and change this to shadows, it's going to take away the outline and just add the shadow. So please keep that in mind as well. But once we click onto the text, click on effects, click on shadow, we've got a few different options with this drop shadow. Now we can play around with the color with it. So what we're going to do is change that to black, just like so. And then we can play with the offset, the direction as well, just like that. The blur, so the higher the blur, the less of a drop shadow that there actually is. So let's put that around about there. And then we can play around with the transparency of that drop shadow as well, just like that. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to add drop shadows to text here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.